Bgtti here, and this is my CS50W Capstone project, PollN. PollN is a tool that enables quizzes, surveys, and presentations with live polling. The user can sign up for free and check out the guide to see how PollN works. A quick note before we dive in. There are 3 branches in the GitHub repo: main, deploy, and temp. The main branch is this one. You can run the code in your machine, and you'll find instructions in the README file on how to set up the MySQL database locally and the differences between the main and deploy branches. The latter is the one I'm using in production, deployed on Railway app. We'll test it later. The temp branch is the hybrid that I'll be using now and delete after this video. I am running the code locally, but I'm using the database I created on Railway. Okay, now let's jump right in and create an account and our first project. We will give the project a name and explore the other options later. Before polling, we first need to add some questions. Questions may be of type open-ended. This is great for gathering ideas. Q&A are questions that have 1 correct answers and can be used for assessments. In PollN, multiple choice questions can have up to 5 options respondents can choose from. The user may set a correct answer, which makes it perfect for quizzes, or can also leave it without an answer when the user wants an opinion from the audience. The user can control the order the questions appear, and they can change the order at any point. We can also edit questions. Now we are ready. We should first open the poll if we're going to share the link with respondents. This is not needed for presentations, as we're going to see later. Respondents can access the questions through the link or put the project code on PollN's homepage and click on Join Presentation. The user can also easily share the link with prospect respondents per WhatsApp. Clicking on Share per WhatsApp will redirect the user to the app. We can close the poll after we are done collecting answers and check out the results. We can download the results tables in Excel. And out here, the respondents are anonymous, something we can change in the project settings. It's worth noting here that a poll can only be accessed by respondents when it's open. In the project settings, we can request a password and a username. We can also choose if we're going to allow the respondents to see the answers to the questions after they have submitted their answers. We can reuse the project and poll as many times as we want. Now we're going to move on to see how PollN does in live polling. And let's present. Now, to properly test this feature, we'll use the deployed version. The reason for this is the QR code. The QR code is an image that was generated locally when we created our project, and for this reason, it currently links to the local server-based URL. I'm heading over to the deployed version where we already have our user and project because we were using the deployed database to store data. And I'm fasting forward as I delete and recreate the project to get a new QR code that respondents would be able to scan in a live presentation. Here we go. When we present, the poll will open automatically. We can present on full screen and see the number of respondents who have submitted their answers on the bottom of the page. Respondents can answer by scanning the QR code or, just like before, by either inputting the project code on PollN's homepage or using the link. When enough answers are submitted, the presenter can press Enter or the right arrow key to move to the next slide. If the presenter is using a touch device, swiping will have the same effect. The poll closes and answers can no longer be accepted. We now proceed to check the results. Answers to open-ended questions are listed. Q&As will be presented with a correct answer and percentage of respondents that got it right. Multiple choice questions are shown in table format and will show the answers if a correct answer was set. After the last question, the presentation is over. And this was it for PollN. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.